Actually, everybody wants to be a good and looking a very beautiful person, and someone say you are looking so beautiful. Everybody expect it. And do you know that what is the different on your beauty? Actually, I know that, and I think that here are very important for achieving and for looking a beauty. Beauty depends on here sometimes, and so it is a Friday today. I wanna make a fake that will be very effective for ourselves, for everyone. Actually, my hair condition wasn't very good, so I decided to make a fake. You can see a piece of knife, and you are following that and watching some onion juice. Onion are very important and very oil on our head or hair, because it has a many lot of antioxidant, and it grow here is very good by using onion juice. And you can see lemon. I will make a lot of lemon juice, and that's it is coconut oil. You can see something is coconut oil. It very useful for ourselves. Our hair will be good by using coconut oil. There is no problem by using. You can use coconut oil on your hair. Okay, I will make a effect that it will be very effective for our head or hair. I will mixer. Now I'm mixing some lemon juice. It's very useful and very effective for ourselves. Of it is original coconut oil. You are watching many product of the market and many stationery shops, but everything is not good. There are many harmful chemical is used by making coconut oil, but it is original coconut oil. So I decided to capture and mixer some coconut oils. There are three elements for making the perfect fake. Number one, onion juice. Number two, lemon juice. Number three, coconut oil. Now I will mix everything very nicely. Then after making effect, I will use on my hair.